So guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. So you should purchase this product or not. So first of all, I'm going to show you something. This is the official website of the product, and as you can see, the same product is available on this website and the cost is almost same, $159 on amazon.com, $159. And if we are going to talk about is this website legit or it's a scammy website, my dear friend, this website is 100% legit website. You don't need to worry about it. You can purchase this product and you can use the product because the website is 15 years from now. That means the website is fully legit, and this product is easily available in India also. And when we research the product on internet, what we find this product is easily available from all over the world. Okay, and the reviews of the same product is about the same product is too good, and you can use the product, but the cost of the product is a little bit high in my terms, because $159 is too high cost in India, according to in India. So my suggestion is only this: if you have so much money, you can use the product, and if you don't have so much money, you can avoid the product, because this type of product is too costly. About the brand, this brand ninja brand is too costly, and you can go for alternates. I will provide you some alternates in our video description box. You can go and you can check out. So this is the review of Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. Yes, you can use if you have so much money. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions and you want to any kind of reviews of any kind of product, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and I will make another video on that topic also. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.